Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen, and thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen always. In today Balghari Kitchen, I bring another recipe, which is fish with hot garlic sauce. So, this recipe, of course, you will like it, and as you like all my videos, keep watching Balghari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments, which is always our request. Thank you very much for watching Bulgari Kitchen. So I'm going to take you to Bulgari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for fish hot garlic sauce. So here I cut already some milk fish into cube cuts, chop onions, coriander, corn flour, soya sauce, chop garlic, garlic powder, chop green chili, black pepper powder, and sea salt, white vinegar, red chili sauce. So viewers, let's marinate the fish. I'm going to add the fish in bowl, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, some soy sauce, mix together all. Then add some corn flour, sprinkle like this. So now our fish is already marinated. So viewers, let's fry our fish. The oil is hot. Adding fish one by one. Start adding some oil. Add garlic. Saute the garlic 1 to 2 minutes until it's getting brown. Now it's time to add onion. Saute the onion until it's cooked. Now add some water to make it sauce. Soya sauce, salt, green chili, black pepper, garlic powder. Mix together all and let them to boil. Add red chili sauce now, white vinegar. Mix nicely. Add some starch to make the sauce thick. So look at this, our sauce is thick now. Add the fish which already fried. Mix together all with the sauce. Add some coriander. Now our fish is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame and I'm going to dish out. I'm going to serve in the plate with the sauce. Look at this delicious fish. I'm going to add some coriander on top. You can serve this one with any kind of rice. I prefer jasmine rice. Goes good with this. So our delicious fish hot garlic sauce is ready. Wow, it's very delicious. Let me try some with the fish. Wow, it's very hot. Very nice. Balance the flavor. The sauce is very delicious. I prefer this one with jasmine rice. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for another coming videos. Share to friends and family. Subscribe Balghari Kitchen. And don't forget to thumbs up my videos. Thank you very much for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.